Hey guys, welcome back and welcome if you are new. Today I'm in the kitchen again and I'll be preparing some soup. So we as Jamaicans, we call it chicken foot soup, we call it pumpkin soup, we call it Saturday soup, whatever you want to call it, but it is soup. Today I'm using chicken foot and chicken gizzard. They are already washed, seasoned and cut up, and I'll also be using pumpkin, Irish potato and garlic. So that is what I have here. To prepare the soup, add the meat, pumpkin, Irish and garlic in a pressure pot. I prefer to pressure my meat when I'm preparing soup because it cooks faster that way, and the garlic is to add extra flavor and to aid in the cooking process of the meat because garlic helps to cook meat faster. So I'm just going to pressure the meat and whatever you see in the pot, and then I'll get back to you. And I have some natural seasonings here. So this is scotch bonnet pepper, thyme, scallion and sweet pepper. The meat has pressured already, so now I'm adding the natural seasoning. As you can see, I add some extra water in the pot so that I will have enough liquid for the soup, because that's basically the purpose of the soup, to have the liquid. Some yam and Irish potato. I have the dough for the dumpling. I already showed you how I made the dough in a previous video. I also have 2 sachets of Grace cock soup. I have some Maggi all-purpose and I have some bulk seasoning. So I'm going to add the seasoning, the powdered seasoning, in the pot now. So now I'm adding the powdered seasoning into the pot. So this is the bulk seasoning. And this is the Maggi all-purpose. I'm just going to leave this to boil, and then I'm going to add the dumplings and the yam. After adding the soup mix, you're going to leave it to boil for approximately 25 to 30 minutes so that the flavor can be infused, and then you'll have the perfect soup. You need to stir the soup occasionally so that the food won't stick to the bottom of the pot, and the noodles from the cock soup mix won't stick to the bottom of the pot. So that is why I'm stirring the soup. Dinner is served. So, as you all know, soup is a Jamaican tradition. We normally have soup on Saturdays, and it's perfect for rainy weather, cold weather. It's a one pot soup. It has everything in it. It has carbohydrates, protein, vegetables. It has everything. I hope you enjoyed my video, and I hope my video helped someone. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Bye.